Good day, Raptors! Welcome back to the channel. And today, like I said, we are continuing with our Go Home project. And today we're actually going to create a map that's going to be the challenge. So, for no further distractions, all the player stuff has been, well, not all, but most of them has been covered, and now it's actually going to go to the map. So, create a new empty object and call it map layer and zero it out. Then here comes the fun part. The way I want you to make the map is not instead of just telling you, I'm going to show you. Bring in a cube inside the map layer and bring it up by in the Y by 0.5. Go to top view, onto graphic, and hold down control and move it out and add the 0.5 so it will be at the end of the map. Then X value, multiply that by 20 and duplicate that, duplicate and move it down here. So that is going to be our top and bottom borders, and the side borders is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to create a empty object called start, and we're going to bring it all the way this side. And in start, we're going to add a new 3D object, cube, and set its position at 3 by 3 and bring that in by 11.5. So it's on the end. And I went out of top view. Okay, then also start to add another 3D cube, bring it out and make its X value, no, Z value to 5. Go to the side, duplicate, bring it up, duplicate, bring it up, duplicate and bring it up. Then back to top view, take the first one, duplicate, bring it in and make that 1 again and 3 and take it there. Also duplicate that and bring it there. Select both sides, duplicate, 1 up, duplicate, 1 up, duplicate, 1 up. And one more thing that I forgot, we have to do the material. So that looks ugly, the white. Everything else is colorful except the white. So create new material, call it walls, from standard to diffuse, and give it an orange kind of color. Okay, then select all of your cubes there and drop that material on. Just quickly want to see. That's too bright. Just bring it fair. Approximately. Yeah, that would do. That would be our color. Now to top and bottom layers as well. And bring start down to negative 0.5. 25. Because it has to have that bump, so you cannot go back to start. Except if you die. So, that's almost done. Create another empty and border. Those, never mind. And go into components and add a physics, not 2D, 3D physics box glider, and go from standard to wire, bring that up, and a little bit down, so 2.5, and make its y value to 2, x value to 0.5, and bring it up. Negative 0.525. Okay, as easy as that. So that is our start. So go to prefabs and drag in the start. And also go to your player, bring him in here, go top, bring him into the start box. So every time the game starts, he's going to start in the start box. It's easy as that. Whee! And that's why I add that box glider, so because he spawned in the air, so if you move, still moving, you'll jump over all the obstacles. Okay, so the next part is go from wireframe to standard and go to map and add a new 3D cube. And well, destroy that one, duplicate this because they're all at the right values already, and instead of 20 you bring that to 1, and let's see how much Z has to go. So 7, no, 8. And 5 to 0. Take that 5 away, so it would be an equal value, and add a 0.5 there. So it'll be on the borders. Now, how is that possible? A gap of 0.5. Cannot be possible. It's possible. I know why. I'll fix that small gap right now. At the other side, duplicate those, and that is our borders. Because there's going to be an end box at this side, and I have to fix this. From 3 to 4, no, wrong one, 3. 3 to 4, and all of these cubes have to go. I know it's good just like that. Oh. The struggles. That has to go out a point. Now it works. And these three have to add value of 7. Okay. That's fixed. Maybe just add another box there. And going to start, apply. And that is start box. I have to change the collider to from 2 to from 1 to 5. There we go. All that set. Beautiful map so far. Okay, so the next part is the end. That's a little more tricky, but gonna duplicate that side and just make it a little bit easier. Write it on the Y 180, bring it in and bring it to point 5. And let's see. Yeah, the cube's going to go in there. Hopefully. I'll just change the collider's value. But what's going to change is that. Duplicate. And instead of 7, bring it to 5. That's going to disappear when you enter the green. That will set up right now. And also, let's take start to end and drag it in there. Now I have to add another collider. And that value has to change from 0.5 to 0.75 to 0.5 and bring that down, and that is a trigger. Okay, so that's the basics of how the map layout is going to be, pretty much. Well, all the other maps is going to look like this. But what's inside here is going to change. And I'm going to ask you to put random blocks inside. But please do not just add show you now. Do not add cube by cube by cube by cube, because remember, all of those guys have colliders, and if you're going against all of those colliders, you're going to start to, well, your player is going to go and stick to the colliders as if they're stoppers, and you do not want that. So yeah, you can at the beginning build the whole scene out of these blocks, and then afterwards just take one block and size it up to fit the whole row. That's what I'm going to do. But yeah, that's basically what the idea that I have for this game. And I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to make 2 or 3 scenes, well, levels. And I'll see you guys in the next video, where we're actually going to add the goal so that gates can open. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Cheers guys, remember, like, subscribe, and smash the comments. Well, not smash, destroy. Cheers guys.